Lemons are a citrus fruit that are rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, which help boost the immune system and protect against cell damage. Here are some benefits of lemons. Supports heart health. Lemons are a good source of vitamin C, which has been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. Aids digestion. Lemon juice has been shown to stimulate the production of digestive juices in the stomach, which can help relieve indigestion, bloating, and other digestive issues. Prevents kidney stones. Citric acid in lemon juice may help prevent kidney stones by increasing urine volume and creating a less favorable environment for kidney stone formation. Reduces inflammation. Lemons contain compounds that have anti-inflammatory properties, may help prevent cancer. Some studies have shown that the plant compounds in lemons may help prevent the growth of cancer cells.